Yes, sir.
Uh, yeah. So yesterday we have discussed about the first class of the developer part. Okay. So from previously which we have done the admin, that is a some like it's a easy one. It's having a navigation steps. Okay. And we don't want any kind of coding in that. We can able to see and we can able to learn very quickly in the admin concept. But we need to know what is the major thing in the admin that we have covered. Whatever I have explained already about the real time business scenarios and what comes under in every project, what most topics it will cover. Those topics I have explained you thoroughly. Now, coming to the developer part, every class is very important for this. If you miss one class, means it's like you will lose. I'm telling you again. If you miss one class as well, you will lose because now if you not listen this class tomorrow, if you join right, then what will happen? Then whatever I have told yesterday, some topics, those topics it will mapping in the second class. So you can't able to understand on the second class. It's overall whatever I have explained. It will go on your top head. You can't able to understand very clearly as well. So every class is very important in the developer part. So I will share my screen. My recording is progress, right? Okay. You can able to see my screen, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now I will open Paint. First, how to create Apex class. Before that, we can understand about anonymous window. Anonymous window. Before we are going to start a before we are going to start a new class. So first of all, we should have to first of all we can understand about anonymous window. What is the anonymous window here? Like whatever we are creating the class, okay, whatever we are inserting the logic in the class, which we can able to see in the output in anonymous window only. In anonymous window only. So first of all, we can able to check and like the anonymous window is not required for um, in real-time projects. Then why I am explaining to you means it's a basic step. It's a first step. Like you should have to know what is the output and how the output where we can able to see how we can insert the data exactly how we can hardcode the data. Okay. For this purpose only, I'm going to explain you what is the anonymous window and in that how we can able to see the output, how we can insert the data after executing that, how we can able to see the output exactly. Okay, now let's go and check. First of all, where we need to go in, if you want to go to Apex class means refresh it and close this one. Go to gear icon, click developer console, and here we go, our console. This is our developer console. Okay, yesterday we have done how to open the class and how to, which we don't know the names. We know the only last name, how we can able to find out. Just click open resources. Just we need to click insert a star. Then you can find out the middle name. You can able to see your class. Okay. Class means it's a blueprint of object. Blueprint of object. Then why I am telling the blueprint of object means in the class only you can able to see all standard objects, custom objects, everything, every active single activity, it's stored, it's inbuilt. It's imputed in the class only. That is a class. It's called it as a blueprint of object. Okay, now I want to show the anonymous. You can be able to see the debug, right? Just click the debug and click open execute anonymous window code. Okay, just click it. Then this is a one page. One pop-up. It will come. This is the anonymous window code. This is the anonymous window code. Let's start from the basic. Let's start from the basic. Uh, in that, we're having a variables. We're having a data types. We're having a data types. In Apex, we're having in Java also we're having data types. Okay, in Apex also we're having a data types. Like how many data types we are having here? We are having a two data types. We're having here two data types. The first one is primitive. Primitive data type and non-primitive data type. We're having a two based on this data type only. We can able to create the Apex classes. This first data type and second data type. Okay. So what is the exactly here? What is the primitive and what is the non-primitive? In interview also they will tell you what is the data type and how many types of data types. You should have to say the data type means which we can able to store the data with the help of the variable. Before we are creating the variable, we should have to declare the data type. Then only we can able to create the variable. For example, if I want to create name as a Punit. Punit and Daya and Bhargavi and Hemant. Okay. And this is the names. I want to store these names in one variable. I want to store these four names into one variable. The variable name is customer names. The variable name is, what is the variable name here? Customer name. Now in this customer name, I want to store this overall the four variables. Sorry, four names. Okay. Four names. So when we are declaring a variable, when we are creating a variable, first of all, we should have to declare the data type. Then only you should have to create the variable. So you can able to see name. This is words like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Like this is a words. The word data type. What is the word data type here? It's a string. String comes under only words. Only words or numbers. Like you can able to see here. If I open the record, you can able to see, right? This is a okay. Just see this one. In this ID, you can able to see numeric also. You can able to see numbers also. Sorry, you can able to see numeric words also. You can able to see words also. Like both are combined. For this also, we can able to declare as a data type as a string. String means it will comes under numbers also and words also, which is combined. And whenever we are declaring a string, and this is data, like Punit, Daya, Bhargavi, Hemant is a data. How we need to write a data here? Punit. For example, I want to write this Punit. Okay, I'm using a string data type. After that, customer name. It's a variable. Data type as a string. After that, I'm creating a new variable. New variable name is a customer name. Equal to. Now Punit. Punit, how I need to declare here? Comma. And after that, Taya. And after that, Hemant. and after that Bhargavi, and after that Varsha. Okay, these are all the names. If you put like this, right, it will throw the error. Why? Means it's not a string format. Like what I'm taking here, string as a data type. So you should have to mention as a string also. What is the string here? Inverted comma, open and close. It's a string format. Okay, it's a string format. Last is semicolon. So these are all the names we are storing where in customer name. Before that, when we are creating a variable, then we should have to declare the string data type. Then after that, phone. Okay, phone we are having a sorry. Now I want to create one data type for the phone. So how I can able to, so what is the phone that it's a numbers only. We can able to see in phone, right? We can able to see only the digits, only the numbers only we can able to see. So the data type is a number. Customer phone equal to. Then for the number, it will not comes inverted comma because means the okay, like this it will not come. See, single quote it will not come because it's not a string, it's a number. It's a you should have to remove. Only the numbers it will come. In number data type, numbers it will only the come. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, Hemant, Bhargavi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now go back to developer console. Now this is our developer console. Okay, this is the anonymous window code. This is the anonymous window code. Then I will paste here. I will paste. Okay, I have pasted. Okay. Now you want to check the output. Like I want to check the output exactly. With whatever I have written here, I want to see the output. I want to see the result. How it will look, how it will come. If I then you can able to see here three options here. Open log, execute, and execute highlighted. Then whenever you have opened the anonymous window, you should have to enable the open log mandatory. If you not open also, it's fine. If you not open means what what is the minus point here? If you uncheck this one means whenever you executed, then the output pop up it will not come. Then when where we need to go for the check the output, you need to click here. You need to click the logs. Here it will come. You need to click here, double click. For example, I'm not. I have deselect this one. Okay, I have unchecked this one. Now you can able to see here execute and execute highlighted. Both you can able. What's the difference between? For example, you want run both. You want run both. I want to run all data types in an anonymous window. I want to run all data types in one time. Then only you should have to click execute. Okay. When you click the execute, right, it will run all. No, I want only one. I want only one data type line only I want to run. Then you should have to select highlighted. Means which we need to run and which we need to run, we should have to select that one only. We should have to click execute highlighted. Okay. Now, if I click execute, then both it will run. Click execute. See here customer name, it's showing the error. Click OK. String customer name equal to okay. So it's throwing the error. Why it's throwing the error here? I need to click here, open and bracket close. Execute. They again throwing the error for me. Unexpected token to me. Unexpected token. Because you should have to see if you want to learn the developer part, means you should have to learn the errors, what error it will come. If you learn the error, means you can able to solve the problem very easily, very easily. Okay, like what I'm explaining, that only if you do right, then you can't able to get it. Okay, you should have to do the errors, then only you can able to learn. Because if you do the error, mean you can able to, like in real time, if you saw the same error again, yes, this error, yes, this error, how I need to solve, you can able to solve very easily. See here, if I will put like this, I'll put like this. Okay, if I remove, if I click execute, again it's throwing error for me. If I remove this for example purpose, if I click, sorry, if I remove this one also, if I remove this, I'm inserting only the Punit only. Only one person, Punit, and his customer mobile number, this one. If I click execute right, then what's showing the error here? Column number 2, 24, illegal integer. Means, what does that mean here? In phone number, we have given data type as a number, then these numbers are large. It will take only 7 or 6 digits only if you mention the number data type. Then what we need to do, if you are inserting long, if you are inserting more numbers, then last it is a right, you can mention L. You can mention L. L means long. If you click execute, then again showing the error here. Number is not a data type. Actually, what is the data type here? It's a integer.
Teacher.
It's a integer. If you remove the L, if I mention here more numbers, if I click execute, then what is through the error? Illegal integer. If I remove this one, if I put here L, L means long. If I click execute, illegal assignment from long to integer. It's showing a long to integer. It's a illegal assignment to me. Means it's not a correct option. Whatever you're trying to do. So it's selling it's a illegal. If what I will do, I will make inverted comma. If I click execute, again showing the error as a illegal assignment from string to integer. String to integer means it's also error. Guys, check the errors. Okay, observe the errors, guys. Observe the errors. Not a
Yes, sir.
solution. Just observe the errors. Okay. Then if I remove L, if I make small, if I remove, if I click execute, then it's executed. It's executed. So the data is not came. The data is not came. So why means open log it is a right. I have removed the open log. The checkbox is I have removed. So you can able to see the output here. If I double click on it, then it will open like this. Then you need to check the output. You can able to see right debug only. Just click the debug only. Then here I'm not getting anything. Why means I'm not printing till I didn't print the value. So if I want to print the value, so what I will do, if I want to show the value, so in Apex we're having a standard class. In Apex we're having a standard class for the printing that is called it as a system. System.debug. Debug means we are printing the value. We are printing the value. Enter. Sorry, bracket open. Customer name is plus. Now here I want to print the value. Then so here what I need to pass here? What I need to mention? Customer name variable.
Variable.
Yes.
Variable.
Copy again. Paste again. Customer phone number is copy and paste it. Okay. Now click execute. Now I will click open log. If I enable the open log, if I click execute highlighted, it's asking nothing is selected. If I select this one, I want to execute this one only. I don't want to execute this one. If I click execute highlighted means it will execute that only. See here, it's the pop-up which came automatically means I have enabled the open log. If I debug only, then you can able to see customer name is Punit. Okay. If I remove this one, now I want to run both. Ctrl E. You should have to press Ctrl E. Then I want to run all. Just click execute. When you click execute, if you click debug only, you can able to see both. You can able to see here both customer and phone number. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hemant, Bhargavi, did you done? Hello.
Yeah, are you able to hear me, sir?
Yes. Are you getting right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Bhargavi, you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Bhargavi, wait. Now here, I want to add more. I want to add more words. So what I need to do? And you know the Java, right?
Yes, sir.
So here, what I need to do here?
Comma and adding the more names.
Okay. So for example, I want to add your name as well. Okay. If I click execute, then throw the error because in one string, in this string, it is not taking the values, both value. I told you, right, guys? Primitive and non-primitive. Primitive data type and non-primitive data type. Primitive data type means it will take only single value only. Primitive means it will take only single value. String is a primitive. Integer is a primitive. Okay. Primitive data types. Primitive data types, it will show the output only single values, not the bulk value. Like not integer having and string integer, and also we are having a more data type like decimal and customer salary. This is data type. Okay, customer salary is a data type. Okay, like customer salary is for example 60,000 and 50 paisa. If I click execute, if I click debug, you can able to see salary also, phone number also, name also. Means in primitive data type, we can able to see only single value only, not more than that. In primitive data type, what it will do, it will show only single value, not bulk values in primitive data types. Clear, everyone?
Sir, you did not mention the customer salary variable name over there, sir.
Yes.
and System.debug.
See where it is.